Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a spotlight on what could be the best-kept secret for your underground sprinkler system. Picture this: a lush green lawn, perfectly watered, effortlessly maintained.
How do you achieve it?
With the Orbit WaterMaster Underground 51031 and 3/4 inch brass quick coupler key.
Yes, it's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth knowing about.
This isn't just any quick coupler key. It's crafted from durable brass, ensuring longevity and reliability. No flimsy materials here. Plus, it boasts a unique double lug valve key made from a combination of brass and steel.
Translation?
It's tough as nails. But what sets it apart? The ease of connection. No more wrestling with your irrigation system.
With this coupler key, you can create a fast, easy connection to a pressurized line anywhere in your landscape.
And let's talk about those O-rings.
They create a watertight seal between the valve body and the key, ensuring efficiency and preventing any pesky leaks.
Worried about debris clogging up your system? Fear not.
The durable brass body and lid of this coupler key act as a shield, keeping out unwanted debris and ensuring smooth operation.
And the ratings speak for themselves. With an average rating of 4.5 stars and over 520 reviews. It's clear that users are loving the reliability and value this product brings to their lawn care arsenal. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started with your lawn care journey, the Orbit WaterMaster Underground 51031 and 3/4 inch brass quick coupler key is a game changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make your life easier.
Until next time, happy gardening!